Question. What do writing teachers need? One thing writing teachers need is what's called pedagogical content knowledge. It's a term written about by Lee Schulman in the mid 1980s. And let's break it down just a little bit. Pedagogical content knowledge consists of three things. It consists of subject matter knowledge, knowledge about teaching, and knowledge about teaching a specific subject matter. And on that third one, maybe not just knowledge about teaching a specific subject matter, but also what the best examples and strategies are for teaching that subject matter. So, for example, if I'm a writing teacher and I have knowledge about how to structure writing, and I have a bunch of examples or strategies for how to structure writing, some of the strategies I like to share with students a lot are what I like to call familiar to unfamiliar, or a classical argument, modified classical argument, visual structure, strategies like that. Sometimes genres come with a structure. All of those are really important to consider because it adds to a student's writing repertoire. So, after rhetorical knowledge about structure, in this particular case, another thing that I understand about teaching is that it takes practice over a period of time, and the practice needs to be varied. And so, what I'll do is I will take all of those different strategies I just named, and I will create practice opportunities for those strategies throughout the semester, probably multiple times, sometimes shorter, sometimes longer for each strategy. And I do that just because it's a good teaching principle. Varied practice, interleaved practice, I mean, is a good principle just to give students lots of practice opportunities so they get comfortable with it. They remember it later. And then for the third part about the most effective ways to teach that particular subject matter in this particular discipline, one thing that I found that's really helpful is to define for students structure as something that is layered because a lot of different things are happening at the same time. Something's happening in genre, something is happening that cues the reader's mind, and there's something visual happening. All of those things are working at the same time. And to round it out, I would just add a caveat, which is that writing teachers really perform best when they are also reflective. Are the strategies that I've chosen the best ones for students to use? Did I give them effective practice opportunities? And are layers the best way to understand structure? And I can hone it from there.